Good morning, guys. This is Sumaiya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we'll be learning about how to make a RGBW backlit logo. This will be doing in Dialux Evo 10 because simultaneously we look into the new feature of the Dialux Evo 10, that is easy control of the colored lights. So let's get started. If you're new on my YouTube channel, previously I have made tutorials on how to make a logo, a 3D model of the logo, how to make a backlit logo. You can find the link of those tutorials in the description below. We'll go to the plan view. I have the ULD file for the RGBW strip light. You can download my Dialux Evo file. I'll be showing the link in the description below to download the file. So in the Dialux Evo file, of course, you'll be getting this ULD file. So you can mark it as favorite and use it in your projects. The download link expires in 5 to 7 days. So please turn on the post notifications for my tutorials so that when I upload the video you get a notification. You can download the files easily. Okay, coming back to the subject, here I have drawn the reference lines as in the same style and shape my logo is. So this is my logo which I need to backlit. The same way I have drawn the reference line. So if you want to know how we draw the reference line, please check out my previous video on this topic. Now, next thing is we are going to import the luminaire, or if you have already imported the luminaire, place the luminaire. So we'll place it. We will check the wattage. So it's of 1 watts and 26 lumens. We'll go to the 3D rendering. We'll move the luminaire out. We'll go to the 3D model. This is my ULD file. Now to see the polar curves or the light distribution curves, you can go to the small display option here, okay, and then click on light distribution curves. So in the previous version of the Dialux Evo, this light distribution curves were shown yellow and the red part was shown with only one line. I'll make a separate tutorial on understanding the CR planes in the upcoming tutorials. But for now, the distribution curves in the Dialux Evo 10 has changed. You can see the whole part as red and the CR planes are in blue. So I think this is better visualization of the light distribution. The next thing what we have is LED alignment. So it is a straight line. Previously also it was same. Then you can also see the visualization of the light by clicking on this show light visualization. Now you can see the output of the light and also increase or decrease the brightness here. It will even affect your light visualization, and you can see the small icon here, okay, the same way the icon here, so saying that this light visualization is on. So if you're off, the icon goes. Okay, so these are some new add-ons in the Dialux Evo 10 for the luminaire. Now we'll go back. Okay, I need to arrange this LED luminaire in this shape. So what I'm going to do is I'll bring it inside. Keep your luminaire selected. Go to copy and arrange option. Copy along existing reference line. Then click on the reference line. Okay, so when it's a curved reference line, the Dialux will automatically define the number of luminaires required for it. It's 18 numbers. Suppose if it's a straight line, we'll draw one straight line here, draw one reference line, and then try to place it, copy along existing reference line. So here it doesn't take the automatic quantity, maybe because the line is open. You can see the arrow mark here, the line is open. You can increase or decrease the dimension. So for the straight line you can do the arrangement with draw line arrangement straight. Okay, since it's a curve reference line, it will automatically take the quantity. Okay, you can change the quantity manually. Okay, like I'll make it 15 now. Once I change the quantity, you can see the distance also is changing. Okay, so previously it was 18. Say when it is 18, it's 0.19. It means the distance between the two LEDs. Okay, this is one, the other one will be here. The distance between these two LEDs is 0.19. Okay, when I'm changing it to 15, so it is 0.24. Okay, so it's easy to define the distance between two LEDs. I think 0.24 is good enough. So then we'll click on follow curve shape. Okay, now it is in straight. I have to make it rotated. I have to make it 90-degree so that it's properly arranged. I'll make it 90-degree, apply, and you can see the arrangement here. It is grouped. The luminaires are grouped. You can ungroup it. If you want to make some of the changes, like move this luminaire inside, you can do that manually. You can double click and then select the luminaire. Okay, save it. Similarly, you can repeat to all. So we have finished placing the luminaire. We'll delete this extra ULD file here. Okay, undo and redo option. Now I have deleted the ULD file. Suppose I want to undo the action what I made. I can go on the top left corner. You can see the small icon. Repeat it. Okay, now you can see the ULD file is back. Suppose you want to redo your action, you can press this icon and the ULD file will be deleted again. Okay, now the next step is keeping all the ULD files in one group. So I will hold the shift key and select everything. Okay, then you can go to copy and arrange, keep it. Let's go and check for the CR planes. Go to the plan view and the light is projecting downwards. We have to get this luminaire files outside and arrange it in the same shape of the logo. So first we'll start by moving it outside, then rotating it, move it, do the adjustment so that they are properly placed. Okay, we have placed the luminaires properly. Now we are going to run the calculation, but before that let's check out the settings. Now go to the lamps. Okay, under the active equipment you can see that all the RGB are in separate. Now red is selected. I can even select the green or I can even select the blue. We'll select the luminaires again. If you come down, there is nothing to active tool to apply the color of the light. So what we are going to do is we are going to light scenes. Okay, here since I have only one type of light, it's displaying here. Suppose in your project there are 3 to 4 luminaire types you are using. in that case you can click on this create luminaire group, okay, and then add the lights here. You can check my tutorial on creating light scenes to understand more about these things. Okay, now here it is giving me the individual control of each light, so I can reduce the dimming levels of each light. Like red, I want it to be 50% dim, or I will totally decrease it, make it 0 0, and I'll clip only the blue light to be on with zero dimming. Okay, that is 100% on. So we'll go to the calculation objects and run entire project. The calculation is completed and you can see the light effect. It's really nice light effect. We'll increase the brightness. You can increase the brightness if you require, and maybe even the white balance, maybe you can keep only standard. Manual is not required in this case, but you can play around with the brightness. Oh, it's really nice. Now let's go and check for other light color, maybe a red. Go to the light scenes, dim this to 0 and on it to 100. You can make it manually to type 100, enter calculation objects, run the project. The calculation is completed and you can see the backlit logo in the red backlit logo now. The next thing, we will keep two colors on and see the result. We'll close this calculation, go to the light scenes again. Maybe we can keep it to 50% dimming, the red one, and 50% dimming, the green one. Calculation objects and run entire project. Calculation is completed and you can see the light effects. It's really nice. We have 50% of the red light coming and 50% of the green light coming. Then the combination light effect is this green. It's really nice. So we can play around the dimming values of RGB or RGBW. So this is it guys in this tutorial. If you found my video helpful, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click on the post notification so that you don't miss out to download my working files within 5 working days. And stay tuned to explore more in lighting design with me. Thank you.